Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new, welcome, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for new videos. Well, today I want to make this video about how I did my gorgeous passion twist, and I leave one to show you how I did it, and my braiding pattern. I'm going to show you how I did my braiding pattern for this hair. The product that I use Eco Gel, and I use Jam. I think it's extra old, and I use Tresemme mousse. It's a hair mousse. And also I'm gonna leave everything in the link down below if you want to see better, and you can check the box down below for more info. So only one. Just have to insert the needle wherever you want the hair to fall. I'm using my jam, and then I tied the roots because I didn't want the hair to unravel, so I just like I was doing a twist. So I tied it because keeping my hair is very short, so and once I finish with the roots, and then that's it. I keep twisting. You don't have to do it tight. Don't have to do the body tight, just only the roots. And then that's it. Keep twisting. Keep twisting. Keep twisting. That's it. I like it. Super nice and super easy.